It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, EcoTech 3 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.